Hello everyone. Today I'm going to give a demo, a chatbot that offers mental health support and coping strategies and resources for individual dealing with stress or depression. So in this project, we have initially collected the dataset of mental health support and training is done through the NLP and testing is done through the GI. So you can see the block diagram. So initially we can give the user input and based on that through the model to predict the response. And first, we initially collected the data set, and processing is done through the tokenization, lemmatization, and after that, bag of words, it will create bag of words represents the input sentence, and prediction is done through the neural network. So now we go for the code, type ideally, click on file, open. So this is the libraries we have imported. An FTK is used for to do the task like tokenization, lemmatization. So tokenization means each sentence is divided into the words, and lemmatization it will prefix the words, and this is used for to save the files. And this is the data set we are loaded here. So in this first we tokenize the words, after that lemmatization, and this is the bag of words. Once the bag of words is done, train the model through the neural network. So in this, we have used three layers: input layer, hidden layer, and output layer. After that, through model.compile, it will increase the accuracy. Using model.save, save the model, run the model. So here I mentioned iterations 200. Till 200, the iteration training process is continued. So here you can see once the training process is completed, let the display like the model created. Click on File, Open. So these are the libraries for creating the GIA list. And this is the loaded model. And here we used lematizer. And after that, bag of words we have used. Click on Run Model. So this is the GUI. Click on Next button. Here you can enter the username and password. Click on Login. Here you can enter the queries. Based on that, you will get the response. So this is the GI. This is the data set. You can give the any patterns. Based on that, you will get the response. Click on Send button. Here you can see the response angle. can check for another input. Click on send button. Then you can see the response. Now you can check for another input. Can give another input. Click on send button. Get the angle. Can give the response sadness. Click on the copy this pattern. Click on send button. We get the response sadness.